In this EXModel tutorial, we'll talk about the clipping box. As you might have learned from the last video about mesh selections, there's another tool you can use to select mesh. To use the clipping box tool, you will need to choose the Edit Scan tool under the main menu. Then you will be able to see the clipping box option. The clipping box will box out the boundary of the mesh based on the global coordinate system. You can access the global coordinate system by going to the top right and click the coordinate system. As you can see, there are 6 faces with 6 different handles. We can adjust the clipping box by just simply click, hold, and drag the handles on the surface. You'll notice that the triangles outside the clipping box will be automatically made invisible, and we will only be able to see the triangles inside the clipping box. Once you're done, you can click Accept. Then only the triangles inside the clipping box will be visible. You can access your entire mesh by using the Show All Hidden Triangles tool. There's a nice thing about the clipping box option is when you made your clipping box, you can choose to create a new object to create the triangles, to make the triangles inside the clipping box as a new object. This new object will be under the mesh, and you'll be able to see your original mesh by just check the original object and unchecked the object you just made. Then also you'll be able to see and modify the object you just made by unchecking the original piece and check the new object.